Good morning, I'm Christy Duffy for Smart Dry News. Today is Monday, June 28th, and here's what's being reported in the newspapers and on the web this morning. The Wall Street Journal is reporting that RDS.A has discontinued the sale of refined products to Iran as new U.S. sanctions target Iran's gasoline imports. The Associated Press is reporting that the massive Gulf of Mexico oil spill, quote, offers lessons, but Royal Dutch Shell says deepwater drilling must continue due to rising demand. Shell CEO Peter Voser says, quote, given the rise in the population and rise in developing world of energy needs, we will have to develop those resources in deep waters, end quote. And the Daily Telegraph is reporting that over 60,000 trucks could be recalled by Volvo Trucks North America due to potential steering problems. Reuters is reporting a study presented to the American Diabetes Association scientific sessions in Orlando finds that diabetes medicines Januvia and Byetta pose no additional risk for cases of inflamed pancreas compared with other diabetes drugs. And in Barron's this week, ORCL's quarterly results showed that the company has made impressive progress in integration and making the Sun Microsystems deal profitable. This well-run industry leader with healthy long-term growth rates is quite attractive with a low double-digit multiple and should continue to reward investors in quarters to come. Barron's also saying that fuel efficiency is expected to be the driving force in the automotive markets for the foreseeable future. The best way to invest in this global theme is BorgWarner, ticker symbol BWA. Barron's technology trader columnist Eric Savitz reports that there are signs of change in the air, and most aren't so good for research in motion. Its BlackBerry smartphones have been favorites of corporate IT departments, but Apple's iPhone could turn the buying decision over to the individual user. Barron's also reporting that the New York Stock Exchange Euronext's relatively modest valuation and price-to-earnings ratio, about half of that newly public CBOE Holdings, shows street skepticism about the exchange's radical transformation towards growth mode. New York Stock Exchange Euronext is becoming a technology leader, far more dependent on derivatives trading in the U.S. and abroad than on matching buyers and sellers of big U.S. stocks. I'm Christy Duffy for Smart Trend News. For more on these headlines, visit our website, tradethetrend.com. You can also receive more news updates and market analysis from us by subscribing to our YouTube channel, Trade the Trend.